Welcome back guys to the Mason Channel. Sabado ng umaga at andito ako sa Putik Highway, Zamboanga City. Samahan niyo ulit ako sa Bolong Ride at tignan natin kung makukuha ko in under 1 hour itong Bolong Strava segment na to. Okay? Ako nga pala si Matron at gising na ako in this 5 AM morning. Almost sakto yung start ng segment time at 5 AM. Ayos. Leaping 53 minutes later sa ride at nasa Sangali Highway na ako. Time check, it's 5:53 AM plus 40 something seconds. Bibilisan ko lang tong video para hindi umaba, okay? So nasa 26 kph yung kaya kong maintenance speed sa flats. Gusto ko sana 30 kph itong maintenance speed ko eh. Pero as you can see, not attainable sa current biking fitness ko. At ayan naman, kitang-kita niyo yung resibo, okay? Pero that means there is room for improvement. And in knowing this, it gives me hope that maybe someday soon, possible sa akin yung 30 kph, you know? Malapit na ako sa end ng Bolong segment, guys. If nirurutan niyo ito, familiar itong fast-paced view na ito sa inyo. At ito na, ang Bolong segment end. It ends here. So, segment time is 59 minutes plus something seconds. So, nakuha natin under 60 minutes itong Bolong ride segment finally. And it feels good. Finally natapos na rin. Sulit yung long efforts. So right now, it's exactly 6 AM in this Saturday morning. At andito ako ngayon sa Bolong Highway, Zamboanga City. At ngayon, nasa Bolong Beach na tayo. At nagpapahinga muna, savoring this moment, this view, and this feeling, no? So, nakuha ko na yung goals ko for the Bolong segment. Next ride, we are climbing Dulyan. I'm excited to see Dulyan again. No? But please, Dulyan, please be gentle. Okay, that's it. Ingat po!